Alright guys, let's talk about Quant. Quant, like other cryptocurrencies, have been downtrending, but I think this one's about to reverse. Now we're looking at Quant on the weekly, and it's currently sitting at $86.90. Now this crypto is basically, it made a doji for the week last week. But right now I see that it might close out red, but the next candle, if it closes out on red, and maybe, just a pullback. But I can see that if this crypto does pull up and make a green candle, and the next week another green, we can be seeing that Quant hitting back $100. So that's like in the best light. If it hits $100, then Quant may possibly, break the trend, start heading up higher, guys, to higher highs. And this would be really good. So people who are hodling, doing cash positions, or even trading like myself, are looking for this big reversal, especially holding on for a week. That's a lot of, that's a really good trade. My price position, guys, is $100 to make it easier. But we'll look at the big grand scheme of Quant. Let's look on the monthly. Check it out. You can see, guys, even on this trading, I'm looking on the Bitrix, and since then it's been, really, really high, back down, lower, and the months overall, basically like 2 months strong, down, 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 2 months strong, down, 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 and this month, if it can close out strong and having 2 bullish months, it might hit up back to 140 after that. But for my price prediction, guys, is $100. I'll try to make this as simplistic as possible, not to break it down in detail. If you like me breaking it down in detail, drop it in the comments below. I'll make it. I'll add more stuff to it, what I'm looking at, especially when it comes to certain indicators and certain technical analysis. But let's look at this crypto on a different perspective. So I've made multiple videos about Quant. Please check those out. I talked about shorting it basically because it's the overall direction in those months. So some a little bit bullish, depending on it. But when it comes to this crypto, sitting at right now 47 and on 200,000 people's watch list, that's what I like. I like the top 100. So many, the top 100 when it comes to that, because so many people are watching this crypto. So there's a lot of cash inflow, being introduced into the market. So if it does rally up higher at certain key points, it's like a easy, easy pump and dump for the most part. But hopefully this crypto is going to turn around. A lot of people are, been buying periodically, hodling this crypto. I won't hodl this crypto at all. It just be complete trading. If you guys feel any differently, just drop in the comments below why you guys prefer hodling over trading it. But let's get into some of the markets, guys. So if you guys want to see where you guys can trade hodlers, just, go to here. I have it linked in the description box below. Also, if you guys are looking for the website, here's quant.network. Check out their platform. I actually love their website. It looks really, really clean. If you are looking for their updates, check out the Twitter page. Also, if you guys are looking for my website, AndreMcClain.com. If you want to learn more about trading, learn more about indicators, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, you guys can try the web version. I have it available. And if you guys are looking for some of the stuff, some market information, I have it here, like some of the economy stuff. So if you're looking at long-term stuff, that's what I like to look at, especially when I'm doing like, stocks or international stocks, stuff like that, long-term trends. But other than that, guys, tell me how I did in this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Help me get this video out there. I really was trying to beat the YouTube algorithm and, get this to be seen. But thank you guys for me to end the video, and I'll see you.